Right, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, with the jersey, with this, with that, with the ducks, this video is in conjunction with Snug Underfloor Heating. Steve and Jen, who own Snug Underfloor Heating, approached me and just wanted me to do a little video just to help them tell you about their new low profile underfloor heating system. When I spoke to them on a Zoom call, they're just a really cool company. Steve and Jen, brother and sister, they're based out of Preston, Lancashire, and they're just a really good vibe, really family run business, and just chatting to them briefly about the products and that, just gelled straight away. And what they want to do, they've been doing underfloor heating for years and years. Steve used to be an electrician, so he knows what it's like to go into a job and things aren't just right, where you've got to tweak things and this, that, and the other. So they've done electric underfloor heating for years and years and years. They've just got into, well, say just 5 years ago, got into wet systems underfloor heating. So they've basically been able to look at the competition, look at what's out there, and tweak their systems. So they're basically giving you the best from all the systems that are out there to give you their wet underfloor heating system. And to be honest, I've done a fair few underfloor heating systems over the years, and theirs seems to be bang on. Just everything about it, the styling, the pink styling of it, the pink on the jersey, the pink ducts and stuff like that that promote their business, it just works. You know, it's just a quirky little trait to the company that makes you go, oh, Snug Underfloor Heating, which I quite like. It's really good. And the company itself is just going from strength to strength. Speaking to Steve and Jen on the Zoom call, and they've had, you know, year on year, the business is growing, it's getting bigger and better each year. They've got an expert team that works alongside them. So basically, all they need from you for a system is the measurements, an architect's drawing, a drawing sketch on a notepad. And Steve's even said to me they've had drawings on the back of fag packets. Is that a thing anymore? I'm not quite sure. But basically, all they need is a drawing of where you want the underfloor heating to go. Send it off to them, and within 24 hours, they can have it back with a detailed layout of all their system. Now, you can go to your merchants. I think they work with a lot of merchants. They work with Plumb Centre, Plumb Base, City Plumbing, all the big name brands. You can go to any of those merchants and request, you know, a quotation from Snug Underfloor Heating, or you can go direct to Steve, Jen, and the team direct and get them to price it up for you. And the good thing is, with their layouts as well, they'll give you a completely itemised layout of the heating system, as opposed to just giving you 200 boards. You've got to lay them all out. They'll literally show you where each board is going, exactly where it's got to go, where these runs have got to go. Detailed drawing for you. It just makes life as an installer a lot easier, and things like that go a long way. And also, they are the only UK underfloor heating company that do electric underfloor heating and wet underfloor heating. They know the market, they know the product, they know exactly what us as installers want with coming to jobs and fitting this underfloor heating. So they've got a full range of systems, from screed systems to, you can literally tile straight on top of this. This is a low profile system, we'll go through it in a minute. You can lay this, your tiler can put his adhesive down and you can tile straight on it. So you could literally be laying this in one room, the tiler's following behind you, laying his tiles on it, a couple of days to go off, done. You can get in there now, you can carry on. It's not like you've got to put insulation down. They do the insulation systems, but for the low profile one, you can literally lay it down, adhesive, tile, done. Within a couple of days, you're back in the room, you're not holding the job up. And also, they provide guidance, and if you've got any issues while installing their systems, or if you've never done one before and you just want a little bit of guidance on it, you can ring, this is the good thing, you can ring Steve and Jen direct, or at least the Snug team direct. They'll sit there with it, talk you through it, explain everything to you. I'm sure they'll even send you pictures, and you know, to basically help you install the system as easily as possible. As I say, Steve knows the crack, ex-electrician. He's been on sites. He knows what it's like when you're pulling your hair out on a job, trying to get stuff done. So, yeah, from a company perspective, they're bang on. You know, family industry, getting into it. You know, they really are an approachable company. They're not just a big corporate face. So what we've got here then, getting on to the nitty gritty, what we've got here is low profile underfloor heating system. Forget this board here, because that's just what we mounted it on to show you. It's literally 18mm thick here with the 12mm pipe in it. And this layout, what's quite unique with the Snug Underfloor system is double back serpentine system. So it's looping round on itself, which just gives a much better even spread to the heating when it's coming through under the floors. A lot of them are just a serpentine system where it comes up, loops around the top, back down, loops, and you can do the whole system like that. But it just means this end's getting hotter a lot quicker than what the return end is. Whereas with this double back serpentine system, it will come up, across the top, loop back on itself, and it just works a hell of a lot better. And then with these end plates are perfect. You've got various different loops here, so you can mould these panels, you can mould the underfloor heating in between things like islands, you know, islands, or when you're going into bathrooms to tuck right in and out of a bathroom. For instance, if we was doing it in here, you could work that round so it would go right in between there, come out, and you could just get it to work a lot better because you've got the different characteristics of these actual bends. And also a nice point what you've got here is, if you can see it, where the pipe comes up, what Snug Underfloor heating do is they just take that little bit out there. I'm sure you've done systems where it's just dead tight there and you're trying to then do your loop. Whereas this system, they just etch out on every single one, like so, just so it's a lot better to come out, loop round and back down. Just takes that little bit out. So yeah, it's a perfectly good system like that. And also, as I said, with the Snug system, once you've given the team at Snug your dimensions for your rooms and stuff like that, and you get it back, you get a detailed drawing, detailed plan of where each panel's going. So you haven't got to spend 2-3 hours working out where these panels are going. They're all numbered or designed so that you can just interlock them straight away, laying it down. So within half an hour, you could have the room laid down. You know, by 8:30, 9 in the morning, you're already laying pipes into that system. By 10, 11 o'clock, the tiler can be in laying his tiles. The next day, that room's done. You're ready to move on. So it's just really good the way they thought, the thought process behind it to get everything as easy as possible for the installer. So this low profile system is a perfect solution to retrofit into any house with low ceilings, or you just don't want to lose that much in the floor space. 18mm for that, 12mm for the pipe. If it's in a bathroom or in the kitchen or wherever, you can put your tile adhesive straight on. It's only going to sit in these little bits as opposed to huge massive areas to fill up. Tile straight onto it and away you go. So this low profile system is in effect the jewel in Snug's crown. It's just a great system to be able to retrofit into any property, low ceiling heights, and just really easy to get in there. Once the team have drawn you up a detailed diagram of where the panels are going, lay them, lay the pipe in, get the tiler in, tile over the top, away you go. It's so easy. Right, so now brings us on to Snug's Wi-Fi stat. Really good stat this is, and to start off, it looks mega with the black. Obviously this is just on a board at the minute so that I can fire it up for you and show you exactly what it's like. But with the black surround, the chrome surround around that, it just looks dead classy, real smart. It's a TFT screen, so what that means is, you know, like the old stats back in the day used to have like a sun and a moon, and you could only click through that, or it'd be Monday to Friday and you could only click through them certain days. This whole screen completely changes with everything you do. So you can basically do whatever you want on the screen and the whole lot changes. It's just so easy to navigate through. Also, what's good on these ones is Snug have put this holiday mode in. Now usually with the holiday mode on a time clock, you can only usually set it for like the next 14 days or something like that. So if you're going away, you go, right, book the holiday for 2 weeks time, we need to do that. We can only do it at a 2-week interval before you go away. The good thing with Snugs is you press the holiday button, connect it there. So say, where are we? 2001, I can get it. 2001, you book holiday for next year. 2002, the day, whatever day you're going away, the month, every month if you're going away. You can preset that whenever you want. You can book the holiday tomorrow for next year, and you can preset your heating. So you're not on the way to the airport going, oh, bloody hell, I forgot to set the heating. You can do it when you book your holiday, because you've got enough going on, if we ever get to have holidays again. You've got enough going on, packing, getting everything ready, running around, chasing the kids around the house. You know your heating's set, done. But also, you've got the app. So you can download the Snug Underfloor Heating app, and everything that on there you can do on the app. So again, it's just a great system, and because the whole screen moves around, it's just so simple to use. But also what you can do is download Snug's free app that will control the heating. So you can be sat in the pub, out for a walk, you know, walking the dog over the fields, like these lovely fields here. Get dog walkers, keep going past, looking in, seeing what I'm doing. But yeah, you could be out walking the dog, especially coming into the winter now, getting a bit cold. Right, we'll fire the heating back up for when we get home. So yeah, so basically that Snug system is brilliant. Again, you can, I'll just recap, you can go to your merchants, Plumb Base, Plumb Centre, City Plumbing, any of the big merchants, Snug will work with them. If you're interested in having a system done, take your drawings in, they'll fire it over to Snug. Within 24 hours, they can have the system planned out, plotted out for you for free. Or, as said, you can go direct to Snug, either Steve or Jen, brother, sister of the company, dead approachable, really approachable, and if you've got any issues, they're there on the end of the phone. If you've never done a heating system, underfloor heating system before, they can talk you through it. But the fact is, they're really approachable. But yeah, you can go to them, order it, come completely designed for you, and along with the thermostats, the Wi-Fi thermostats, it's just a great, great company to use, because we've got a bit of a giveaway. So what we're going to be giving away is a couple of ducks, t-shirts. I think they may even throw in a hoodie, because we're coming into the winter. I'll have a word with Steve and Jen, see if they can chuck a hoodie in, because not everyone wants to wear a t-shirt in the middle of winter. Ducks, mugs, air fresheners for your van, and also one of their Wi-Fi enabled thermostats that obviously you can download the app and everything for as well. 130 quid retail for those. We'll chuck one of them in as well. So all you've got to do to be in with a chance of winning all of those bits in a little goodie bag is follow my Instagram account, follow Snug's Instagram account, follow us both, tag a friend, put hashtag SnugWin in it, and then you'll be in with a chance of winning all those goodies. Competition will run for 2 weeks from starting, when I'll put it up on Instagram. So I'll also put a link in the description below with all the links to Instagram from my account, for Snug's account, and all the details on the giveaway there. As I said, the giveaway will run for 2 weeks from the start date. I'd like to thank Snug, Steve, Jen for the opportunity to do this video. It all helps with my YouTube and their business, and Snug Underfloor Heating, and you as installers. If you can have a product that you know is a lot better, easier to fit, makes your life a lot easier, as installers, that's all we want. So get on it. Thanks for watching, and I shall catch you in the next one.